Customer has a couple strip lug nuts. Let y'all see the process I do to get them off. One strip right there. It's fairly simple too. All right, let's get that out the way first. All right. Yep, it's fairly simple. This one here stripped as well. All right, let's see. Might get lucky and be able to do this in one tap. Peel it off. Just peel it off. All right. Not to mention that I had several drivers come out here already and attempted to remove the lug nuts. All you want to do is get up under that lip of that metal. Once you get up under that lip, you can easily get back there. Depending on how much experience you got with this, it shouldn't take you more than about 10-15 minutes per cap. Just depends on experience though. you have it. That's why I tell people all the time, these lug nuts are the worst. They're the worst. If you have that shiny lug nut and that little silver cap on top, I recommend replacing these as soon as you see them. I recommend it. I mean, I tell it to all of my customers all the time. But hey, man, nevertheless, if you don't want to replace it, call me. I got you covered. I got you covered. Just call me. It's right here. I know it's right there. They got me in a bad spot, but hey, man. This hope is open. All right. Good morning.
Good morning.
Can you open the trunk so I can get the spare?
Okay.
So I'll show you what's good.
The same company with someone who came in the morning.
Uh-huh.
Ah, okay.
The guy that just left, that was one of my drivers. He just didn't have what he needed to do the job. But here's what goes on, okay? Because they've been changing your tires, whoever changed them, they messed these up, okay?
Okay.
I tell people all the time, when you see these, throw them away. Get something like this. That's real. This is just a covering.
One.
Yeah. Yeah, watch it sharp, don't cut yourself. But yeah, that's all it is. If you can get this off of there, you have this underneath. And it works every time, okay?
Okay, I see. Another person from another company came here last night and he couldn't get it out.
He couldn't get it off last night? Yeah. Yeah, they should have called me the first time. It would have been done the first time. I had to do these on side the interstate before, during rush hour traffic. Guy had 4 of them one time. Rush hour traffic, I'm on side the interstate trying to do this, and the vehicle was just shaking. Boom. But hey, man, don't matter what the situation is. When they come to the roadside, you know who's got you covered. Okay, so these are messing up too. So I'm gonna recommend either replacing all of them, just do one tire at a time if you have to, or find somebody to take the rest of the caps off, and you can just do it like that, okay?
Okay, to replace either all of them or All of them, 5 of them?
Yeah, you can replace 5 of them if you want. Or if you know someone that, all you have to do is find someone, they need a screwdriver and a hammer, okay?
Okay.
And you poke a hole in it, and you take that metal from around there. You can shave it off.
Ah, okay.
And it comes off, and then you have this right here. But if you don't have someone to do that way, find something that is solid just like this, because this is going to give you a problem. This one right here is already causing problems.
Ah, okay, okay. I see.
And that's it.
That's all?
See, and that's it. Take some pictures, and you're good to go.
This tire is broken, right?
Ma'am?
It has a hole. What caused this to go flat?
Let's take a look at it real fast.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Have to throw it, or
No.
if I go to the garage, they are going to
Yeah.
mend it.
They're gonna fix it. Yeah.
Fix it.
Yeah. Yeah, you can go to the shop and they'll fix it for you.